My name is Mosidi Morule. I'm from the Northwest province. I'm currently a farmer at Ramatlabama in the Ngakamudiri district. I'm a potato farmer who has been in the program for 2 years, le ARC, collaborating with Department of Agriculture. Our first cohort, re kgonne go lema ditapole on a 1 hectare, and then radira yield let me talk about myself. I did a yield 33.8 tons in 1 hectare. So jala ditapole is very important, and is doable as long as okona go utwelela the way the mentors are rona, which is our Flip and Dr. Lerato, to what they advise on how to do and the management thereof to get your production to give better yields. How to follow our instructions, everything is doable. So ke rotloetsa bomme batho ba basadi go tsena in this potato production, and ra itse gore potato is our daily meal. Rotlhe re ja tapole, di khona bana ko diskolong sphatlo ke tapole. So let's just make potato big before nele so se fela se se plantiwang ke batho ba sweu, so we can come into this thing le rona re khone go phuthulla this ya tapole. Ke a leboga.